Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing an exclusive Quotex bonus where you can get a 50% deposit bonus. Simply paste the promo code in this file during your first deposit. To activate this, you must create a new account using the official Quotex link in the description below. Don't miss out a 60% bonus for pocket option. You can sign up via the official link and start making winning trades using the AI feature. You can also register for crypto platforms. Please note, everything in this video is not financial advice. Don't forget to like and subscribe.